Introducing Overlook at Stoney Creek by Lennar. A brand new townhome community offering modern living and everyday convenience in the heart of Garner. Thoughtfully designed for today's lifestyle, this community offers low-maintenance living in a welcoming location close to shopping, dining, and major commuter routes. Perfect for those who value both comfort and connectivity. Homeowners will enjoy a variety of on-site amenities, including a sparkling saltwater pool, relaxing cabana, and open green spaces ideal for gathering, playing, or simply unwinding. Overlook at Stoney Creek also boasts exceptional connectivity, with quick access to major routes like I-540, US 70, and I-40, making daily commutes and weekend outings simple and stress-free. Healthcare professionals will find the location especially appealing, just a short walk from the new VA clinic and only minutes from the new WakeMed hospital, offering unparalleled convenience for work and lifestyle. Find your dream home among the beautifully designed floor plans complete with popular features and finishes built by one of the country's most reliable and trusted home builders. Lennar at Overlook at Stoney Creek. Contact us today to schedule an appointment.